Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. We're getting back on Project Deer Slayer again, and I don't do unboxing videos, but I got boxes. So first up is the towing mirrors. Let's take a look at those. See what. Now these were Amazon, cheap. They're not factory replacements, so we'll actually see what kind of quality we get out of cheap Amazon stuff. Nice heavy box. That's kind of impressive. Thick walled cardboard, not something you see typically. Ooh, I like the packaging. Got bubble wrap, small parts, nuts, etc. Some zip ties. Lots of the bubble stuff. Now, I know the mirrors didn't get damaged in the deer strike, but I really don't like the mirrors that are on that truck. So there we go. That's the passenger side mirror. It extends out. What's that? Oh, 3 3/4 inches. Don't ask me what that is in millimeters, but it's just like the truck. It's heated, powered, and it's got the turn signal built in right here. As you can see on the outside, it's got the turn signal built in. So, all right. So that's I'm not going to open the other one. They're the same. Hopefully, the other one's not broken. We'll find out when we go put them on. Let's get to the next box. So now it's a reboxing video. Yeah, nice packaging. So you don't see that very often. Alright, next box. As you can tell, I already opened this one a little bit, just to take a look. Once again, ordered off Amazon. I have to admit, packaging is pretty good, but it's not as good as the mirrors. They just got some foam packed in around it. So, new headlights. This is, once again, passenger side. Why do I keep opening the passenger side? I don't know. Once again, I'm not going to open all of them. And once again, the packaging on this is not nearly as good as the mirrors. But, got the washers, new washers. And the turn signal housing. This would be the driver's side. Actually not bad. Feels comparable to the factory original. A little sticker here that covers up the hole. They missed the hole. Didn't cover it all the way. I think that's just to keep stuff from getting in there during manufacture and shipping. tell you, this COVID thing has slowed down the shipping on all these parts. Took forever to get some of this stuff, like a month. Unfortunately, none of my local recycling yards had any of these parts in stock that were, well, ones that told me, yeah, I've got some, but I wouldn't sell them to you. Which I can appreciate. If they're telling you that the parts aren't very good, kind of have to respect that. So, once again, the packaging's not as good. They got a couple of dense foam blocks. The fasteners are taped in here. And we've got the new grill. Guess it goes this way. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. No cracks, no scuffs. Alright guys, now we can get on. I wanted to get this bumper built for this truck quite a while ago, but after the deer strike, couldn't build the bumper without having the parts to put in so I can build the bumper to them. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go down and hit the subscribe button so you can catch the rest of the projects on this truck as we move through them over the next few months. And we'll catch you in the next one.